Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best carpet blades is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious carpet installer or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve professional-looking results, offering precision and efficiency that can make all the difference in a project's success and overall aesthetic appeal. Whether you're tackling a small room or a large commercial space, the right carpet blade ensures clean cuts, prevents fraying, and ultimately saves you time and frustration, making it an indispensable part of your toolkit for any flooring endeavor. Number 5. SnapFresh 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. Introducing the SnapFresh 4V Cordless Electric Scissors, your ultimate cutting companion. Effortlessly tackle a variety of materials with its powerful and versatile design. From cardboard and leather to carpet and plastic, these scissors handle it all with ease. Enjoy smooth, low-noise cutting for any project, up to 1 4-inch thick. Never run out of power with the included extra tungsten steel rotary blades. Ensure uninterrupted cutting for all your heavy-duty tasks, keeping you productive. Weighing just 0.87 pounds, its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. It's perfect for seniors, women, or anyone seeking a fatigue-free cutting experience. Designed with your safety in mind, it features a safety start mechanism to prevent accidental activation. Enjoy peace of mind, especially in homes with children. This comprehensive set includes the rotary cutter, an extra blade, charger, and more. It's the perfect tool for home projects, crafting, and professional use. What we like. This tool offers exceptional versatility for a wide range of materials. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use electric cutter for various home projects and packaging, this is a great choice. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through carpet cleanly. Easy to change out the blades when they get dull. Durable construction, these blades last a long time. Number 4. Stedi 9-inch heavy-duty all-purpose scissors. Introducing the Stedi 9-inch heavy-duty scissors, your ultimate solution for all cutting tasks. Experience unparalleled strength and durability with these all-purpose shears. Crafted from robust 420J2 stainless steel, these shears offer exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. They are designed to effortlessly cut through thick paper, cardboard, leather, and more. Achieve smooth, precise cuts every time with our finely serrated, hardened blades. The 45-degree angle and serrated design ensure straight lines and efficient cutting, making your tasks quicker and easier. Enjoy a comfortable grip with the ergonomically designed TPR soft handle. Its non-slip sleeve provides a secure hold, perfect for extended use without fatigue. Featuring an adjustable range design and a groove for cutting wires, these shears are incredibly versatile for household, office, and outdoor needs. A safety lock ensures secure storage and prevents accidental injuries. We are committed to product quality and customer satisfaction. Enjoy our 24/7 friendly customer service for any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel with finely serrated blades, this option ensures clean and precise cuts. The adjustable range design adds to its labor-saving capabilities. If you need a reliable, all-purpose manual shear for thick materials like carpet and cardboard, and appreciate a comfortable grip for long tasks, consider this. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through carpet cleanly. Easy to change out the blades when they get dull. Durable construction, they hold up well to heavy use. Number 3. XW Folding Carpet Knife. Introducing the XW Folding Carpet Knife, designed for heavy-duty tasks. Its durable zinc alloy construction and anti-slip grip ensure comfortable and secure handling. Experience superior control with its ergonomic TPR grip. The SK2 slotted blades are exceptionally sharp and built to last, making any cutting job easier. Our convenient lockback design allows for effortless folding and unfolding. Simply pull the yellow slider backward to operate the blade. Changing blades is a breeze. Just pull the slider back to remove a dull blade and insert a fresh one in seconds. Safety is paramount. It comes with a protective plastic cap to ensure secure storage when folded, preventing accidental cuts. This knife also includes a bonus of 5 extra blades and a convenient dispenser, so you're always ready for your next project. What we like. Built with a robust zinc alloy structure and an anti-slip grip, this cutter prioritizes control and durability. Its quick blade change mechanism is incredibly convenient. If you need a dependable utility knife for frequent use and appreciate having plenty of spare blades readily available, this folding knife is a solid pick. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through carpet cleanly. Easy to change out the blades when they get dull. Durable construction, they hold up well to heavy use. Number 2. Berkling 100-pack utility knife blades. Experience the difference with our laser-sharpened blades. Crafted from premium black carbon steel, they offer triple the sharpness and 5 times the durability of standard blades. Don't worry about degradation. These blades provide superior protection against corrosion, ensuring they last longer. Designed to fit perfectly, these blades are compatible with most standard box cutters and utility knives. Our T-shaped blades feature a robust thickness for strength and flexibility. With dual-side cutting, they are built for versatility. Effortlessly cut through a variety of materials, from cardboard and leather to carpets and PVC, thanks to their ultra-sharp design. This bulk pack includes 100 blades and a handy dispenser. Switching to a fresh blade is quick and easy, maximizing your efficiency. Safety is paramount. Please handle with care, store responsibly, and keep them out of reach of children. What we like. These blades offer superior sharpness and durability, significantly outperforming standard options. The bulk pack with a dispenser ensures you always have a fresh blade ready. If you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast who goes through blades frequently and needs consistent, high-performance cutting for materials like carpet and leather, this is an excellent value. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through carpet cleanly. These blades are very durable and last a long time. The design of the blades allows for easy blade changes. Number 1. Heavy-duty fixed roofing knife set. Discover a versatile and durable cutting tool designed for all your needs. This set includes practical knives and multiple blade shapes, perfect for various cutting tasks. Crafted with high-quality carbon steel blades and a robust aluminum body, these knives offer exceptional durability and cutting power for both simple and demanding jobs. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its streamlined, ergonomic handle. Designed for precision and ease of use, it reduces physical effort during prolonged tasks. Change blades quickly and safely with the innovative single-handed operation and secure locking mechanism. Built-in storage keeps spare blades conveniently on hand. With a portable sheath for easy carrying, this set is ideal for construction sites, gardening, office work, or any household task. It's the perfect companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This knife set combines a lightweight aluminum body with an ergonomic grip for comfortable, long-term use. The built-in blade storage and safety lock mechanism enhance both convenience and security. If you need a reliable and portable cutting tool for construction, drywall, or carpet work, especially if you're often on the move, this set is designed for efficiency and safety. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through carpet cleanly. Easy to change out the blades when they get dull. Durable construction, they hold up well to heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.